Hello friends, so we are creating a e-commerce app. So in the previous video, we created a splash screen activity. So in this video, we'll create a welcome screen design, and if possible, we'll also create a sign up and login screen design. So let's move on to the video. Okay, first let's move to the colors XML file. Here I added some colors to this, and also in the strings XML, I added some strings. So I'll give the colors value in the description. And I also imported some images. Click on the login sign up package and create new activity, an empty activity, and the name of the activity will be welcome screen. And again create another activity, and this one will be login and finish. And the third one will be sign up and finish. Now it's showing some errors, so click on this R and press Alt Enter and import class. And also for the login, Alt Enter and import class. And for the welcome screen also do the same, Alt Enter and import class. Now open a manifest file. Now the manifest file is showing some errors, so to clear that, type dot on the package name login sign up and copy this one and paste it here and here. Now let me close this one. Now move to welcome screen layout. Change this constant layout to relative layout. Now let's add some text view. Text view, wrap content and wrap content, and the text will be plant tree, center horizontal true, and font family. Now I need to import some fonts. For that, click on the design tab and click on the text view, search a font family, more fonts, download Ubuntu Medium. I already added this font, so the font will be Ubuntu Medium, and the text size will be 45 sp, and margin top 50 dp, and the text color will be black. Now click on the design tab and search for divider. Click on the vertical divider and drag it here. Here you can see the divider. Now delete these two lines, parent start and parent top, and the height will be 150, and the margin start, it will be 15 dp, and the margin end also 15 dp. Now let's pass ID for the text view, and the ID will be pantry, layout, start off, pass ID pantry. Okay. Now the margin top will be 55 dp, and the width will be 3. Okay. Now add another text view, wrap content and wrap content, and the text will be app name plans.io. Now we need to rotate this text in 90 degree. For that, type rotation minus 90. Here you can see the text is rotated, and also you wonder how I created line by line text. For that, open a strings file. Here you can see I typed a \n, and here too, which creates a new line like this. So next, the margin top will be 100 dp, and the margin start 35 dp, and the text size 25 st, and the text color deep blue. Okay, close this tab, and after that, create an image view. The width of the image will be 160 dp and the height will be 200 dp. and the source will be plant welcome, and this is the image. Center vertical true, and margin start 25 dp. Now close the stack and pass id for it, and the id will be plant welcome. And after that, create another text view, wrap content and wrap content, and the layout below id plant tree, and layout to end of id plant welcome, and the text will be hello there, and text size will be 30 sp, and margin top will be 130 dp, and margin start 45 dp, and the text color will be deep blue, and the font family will be open sans semi bold. Now create another text view, wrap content and wrap content, and the text will be login to continue. Now before that, pass id for it, and the id will be hello the text, and now layer below id hello the text, and layout to end of id plant welcome, and the text size will be 15 sp, and margin start 45 dp, and margin top will be 10 dp. Okay, close the stack. Now click on the drawable folder and create new drawable resource file, and the name of the file will be btn background solid. Now change the selector to shape and OK, and solid color light green. You can find this color codes in the description. It is the light green color, and close the stack. And the corner radius will be 30 dp, and close this one. Now close this file. Now create another drawable resource file, and this one will be btn background stroke. Now change the selector to shape. Okay, so typo here. Now type stroke color light green, and width will be 2 dp, and the color will be and the corners will be radius 30 dp, and close the stack. Now close this file, and in the welcome screen XML file, create a linear layout, match parent and wrap content, orientation horizontal, and close the stack, and create a button, and the size will be 150 dp, and the height will be 60 dp. In the linear layout, type layout below plant welcome, and margin top 10 dp. Now type 150 dp here. Now background will be btn solid. If the color of the button doesn't change this button to app compact button. Now it changed, and now the text will be login, and the text color will be white, and margin start 30 dp. Now close this tag and copy this form and paste it here. Change this background to btnbg stroke and log into Signup, and the text color will be black. Okay, here change the margin start to 35 dp Okay, now it's perfect. So in this video we created a welcome screen design. So in this video we can't create a sign up, login and sign up design. So in the next video we'll create the login and sign up design. Until then, thank you and thanks for watching.